Today we are going to do the transfer pipette. What you want to do is take the transfer pipette and the solution and the pipette bulb, and what you want to do is put the tip into the solution, making sure that's fully submerged but not touching the bottom, because then it can't suck up. Then you want to squeeze the bulb, put it on top of the pipette, and you can shake it around. You want to make sure it has a good suction thing, and then you want to slowly release so that solution is taken into the bulb. You want to raise it to your eye level to see the meniscus, which is made from the particles sticking to the side, and it creates a curve, and the bottom of the curve is what you will read the volume from. You write down the initial volume into the notebook, and then you will make sure that you realize that it's in a descending manner. It starts at 0, or 0 is at the top, and near the bottom is 9, and you will release the amount of solution that you want, and then you'll take the final volume. In order to get the transferred volume, you will subtract the initial volume from the final volume. Once you have found this number, then you will record that into your notebook, and then you will release it back into the solutions beaker, and you want to tilt the glass and put the tip of the pipette on the side, and then once that is all out, you will blow it out with the solution, and then you can pour the solution back into the main beaker once you're finished. Now we're going to watch another student do this. Again, she has gotten the solution, and she switched the bulb with her finger. She's taking the meniscus, the initial volume by the meniscus, and before doing a project like this, you want to make sure that you have cleaned the bulb before, or prepared the pipette by sucking solution into it 3 times deionized water, 3 times the solution, and that will prepare it, and you want to tilt it horizontally. Now she is putting it back into the beaker, again touching the side, and she is going to take the final volume and then subtract the initial volume from the final volume. With preparing, you'll tilt it horizontally and then swish it around. For cleaning, it's the same thing, except you don't use the solution 3 times. You use tap water and then deionized water to clean the pipette. And if you have gotten any solution into your bulb, you want to clean that out too. Don't use soap to clean it unless instructed by your TA. She's released it, and you wait about 10 seconds before you blow it out to make sure all the solution's out. And once that's finished, then you can move on. And we also took the mass using the pipette. How to take a mass with an analytical balance is explained in our analytical balance video. As you can see, he begins by releasing the bulb, which absorbs the water into the pipette, and then he's going to raise the meniscus to his eye level. Then he will release the amount of desired, and again, you want to make sure that your thumb is tight on it, so that whenever you're finished, you can stop it at the point and you don't release anymore, because it can easily become a human error if you do that. Again, he's raising it to his eye level, and he's finding the final volume, and he'll subtract the initial volume from the final volume to get the transferred volume. And now he is blowing out the volume after releasing it into the main solution. And he's showing the mass how to do that. And that is all of it.